everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are tackling one of the most common landscaping challenges, the narrow, often neglected strip of land running alongside your home. Many homeowners see these areas as awkward no-man's lands, but a side yard shade garden is a purposeful design choice that turns a low-light corridor into a stunning, functional sanctuary. Essentially, a side yard shade garden is a specialized landscape designed for narrow spaces that receive limited direct sunlight due to the shadow cast by the house, tall fences, or overhanging trees. By embracing the unique microclimate of these shaded alleys, you can create a cool, tranquil transition zone that connects your front and backyards while adding immense visual interest to your property. The benefits of establishing a side yard shade garden are numerous and go far beyond mere aesthetics. First, these gardens provide a natural cooling effect, significantly lowering the ambient temperature around your home's foundation during hot summer months. Because they are tucked away, they offer a sense of secluded privacy and quiet, making them the perfect spot for a hidden bench or a peaceful walkway. Furthermore, a well-planned shade garden increases your home's usable square footage and overall curb appeal, proving that every inch of your property has value. By replacing patchy, struggling grass with shade-loving perennials and structural hardscaping, you also reduce high-maintenance chores like mowing in tight spaces, opting instead for a self-sustaining ecosystem that thrives in the shadows. Decorating your side yard to look beautiful requires a focus on texture, light, and movement to counteract the potential gloom of a shaded area. Start by incorporating high-contrast hardscaping, such as light-colored gravel or natural stone pavers, which reflect what little light is available and guide the eye through the space. Use vertical elements like wall-mounted trellises or tall, narrow planters to draw the eye upward and make the corridor feel more spacious. Adding a water feature like a small wall fountain can introduce soothing sounds that mask neighborhood noise and enhance the tranquil atmosphere. Don't forget about lighting. Soft, low-voltage LED path lights or decorative lanterns can transform the garden into a magical evening stroll, highlighting the intricate shapes of your foliage. When it comes to the best plants for a side yard shade garden, the key is to look for varieties that celebrate diverse foliage over flashy blooms. Hostas are an absolute staple, offering an incredible range of sizes and colors from deep forest green to bright chartreuse. Ferns such as the delicate maidenhair or the robust Japanese painted fern add airy texture and a prehistoric charm. For a pop of color, consider bleeding hearts or astilbe, which produce ethereal flowers in low-light conditions. Caladiums and coleus are also fantastic for adding vibrant pinks, reds, and silvers without needing full sun. By layering these plants according to height, placing taller shrubs like hydrangeas against the wall and lower ground covers like sweet woodruff near the path, you create a lush, multi-dimensional look that feels professional and intentional. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 best side yard shade garden ideas to spark your creativity. Tropical Forest Passage. This design features a winding stone path set into a lush carpet of ground cover, creating the feeling of a secret jungle path. The tall, slender bamboo stalks provide vertical interest and privacy, while the red umbrella offers a bold focal point and a cozy spot for afternoon tea in the shade. 2. The texture-rich woodland walk. In this layout, large, irregular flagstones create a sturdy walkway surrounded by a masterclass in foliage contrast. The mix of broad-leafed hostas, delicate ferns, and variegated ivy creates a visually stimulating environment that makes the narrow space feel vibrant and full of life. 3. A manicured modern utility. This idea focuses on clean lines and structured simplicity, using rectangular pavers set into a perfectly manicured lawn. The use of wooden trellis panels along the fence allows for climbing plants to grow vertically, maximizing greenery without encroaching on the walkway space. 4. The cottage-style shade border. A beautiful example of how to integrate a side yard with the home's architecture. This garden uses tiered mulched beds filled with vibrant pink azaleas and low-growing perennials. The inclusion of a vintage-style water pump as a decorative element adds a charming, rustic touch to the manicured lawn. 5. Vibrant foliage tapestry. Who says shade gardens can't be colorful? This stunning border uses a variety of caladiums and coleus in shades of pink, white, and deep burgundy to create a high-impact visual display. The silver-toned dusty miller provides a bright contrast against the brick foundation of the home. 6. The layered perennial sanctuary. This design utilizes a deep garden bed filled with a mix of towering lilies and mid-height purple perennials to create a dense, living wall effect. The curved edge of the flower bed helps to soften the straight lines of the lawn and the tall privacy hedge in the background. 7. Classic courtyard elegance. This side yard is transformed into a sophisticated outdoor room featuring a stone patio and a wrought iron archway. The use of carefully pruned boxwood globes and climbing vines on the house walls creates a timeless, European-inspired aesthetic that feels both grand and intimate. 8. The azalea and hosta hollow. By using natural stone edging to define the beds, this garden creates a beautiful transition between the lawn and the wooded fence line. The mass planting of purple and pink azaleas provides a spectacular seasonal show, while variegated hostas keep the ground looking lush all year long. 9. Contemporary minimalist border. This clean and modern look uses white fencing as a bright backdrop for architectural plants. The combination of upright yellow shrubs, dark burgundy bushes, and a small rock water feature creates a zen-like atmosphere that is low maintenance yet highly stylish. 10. The gourmet shade oasis. This multifunctional side yard combines a gravel path with a high-end outdoor kitchen and seating area. A wooden pergola provides structure for climbing vines, while the surrounding trees and shrubs ensure the cooking and dining area remains cool and shaded throughout the day. Creating a side yard shade garden is about seeing the potential in the hidden parts of your landscape. By choosing the right plants and adding thoughtful decorative touches, you can turn a dark, narrow passage into your favorite part of the home. These gardens prove that you don't need full sun to create a masterpiece. You just need a little bit of imagination and a love for the lush, quiet beauty that only the shade can provide. Thank you so much for watching Garden Decor Designs. If you're ready to transform your own side yard, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more landscaping inspiration. Let us know in the comments which of the top 10 ideas was your favorite, and be sure to ring the bell so you never miss a new design tip. Happy gardening!